morning. It is Sunday, March 7th. Happy birthday, Ceara! Happy birthday. So we're gonna go eat some breakfast. I actually have a TikTok I have to edit for a work thing, so I'm gonna do that really quick. And yeah, then we're gonna have a fun day. We have birthday yoga going on at 10 a.m., which I'm so excited about. Then we're gonna go hike a waterfall, which will be so much fun. And then yeah, just gonna go with the flow, probably get dressed cute and go to dinner somewhere. It's gonna be the best birthday ever. I'm so excited. So we were just talking about TikTok. Brady's literally on Excel TikTok. Like,
very helpful if you use Excel. I highly recommend following.
Okay, so I just finished some work things for the morning. Had to sign off a TikTok that was sponsored and then responded to some emails. And now, we're going to yoga. Okay, so we just got done with our yoga class. It was honestly amazing. So zen. I think we're all recharged.
So zen. So amazing.
So amazing. So zen.
Peaceful.
We were all like asleep by the end of it. It was just like so peaceful, but...
Actually, I did like fall asleep.
Yeah.
I fell asleep when she said something. I was like, I don't know what she just said.
If I did that every night before I went to bed, man.
Yeah. So we really liked it and highly recommend you come here, stay here, and do yoga class at Danyasa Yoga Retreat if you are in Dominical. Okay, so change of plans. We're gonna go to the waterfall hike tomorrow. We weren't sure if it closed at 2, if it wasn't open, or like how long it would take. So we're just gonna do it tomorrow morning, get that done first thing in the morning, have plenty of time to do that. So now we're gonna go check out Dominicalito. It's like this little beach nearby. Very excited. Okay, so we went to Dominicalito. It was just like a smaller beach. Brady really wants me to do a panorama picture, which I'm just like, okay, I'll do that for you, Brady. Anyways, we're at Dominicalito, but then we wanted to check out Uvita. We had not been to Uvita yet. And so we're at the national park, the Playa Uvita. And it's a $6 entry fee. I think it ended up being $21 US. And yeah, we're just hanging out. We'll probably hang here until like closer to sunset, and then we'll go back, get some dinner. That'll be our day.
Do a pan on me with all this behind. We'll just take a picture. Say you're ready to get a picture.
Okay, so we are heading to go watch sunset. We just got ready and all cute. Got my cute dress on, and yeah, we're taking some pics first and then we're gonna head out. Okay, this is literally beautiful. Oh my god. We weren't sure if we were gonna make it, but holy moly, that was so worth it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. That was really scary. We got caught in traffic. There was like an accident or something. We made it just in time. We were hanging out at the yoga retreat and we invited our new friend Astrid. Hello! She's from Switzerland. She's so cool. And just had to introduce her on the vlog.
Tell us about yourself.
Yeah, wait, tell us about yourself. Here, you want to see. She's like, do I have to say anything? I'm like, no. I know, we just put her on the spot. Oh yeah.
Swiss people are really shy.
Wait, say like, hello, I'm from Switzerland, in Swiss.
Hi, speak for the streets.
Yeah. Of course, we're talking about our dogs, and we're showing pictures of each other's dogs. So we're showing Astrid, Dudley, and Daphne. Oh my god. Wait, which one? This one? That's a good one.
There's so many.
Here's our dog.
Oh, that's
Yeah. Got our food. Our other friend from the yoga retreat just joined us, Tom. Hello, say hi to the vlog. Tom's from the UK. He's from Oxford. Are you from Oxford? Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Let him tell him.
He's a vet. He works with sloths and elephants, lots of cool animals. He just taught us that sloths are not always really slow. There's the three-toed sloths that are slow. Or the two-toe are the fast ones. They can literally claw your arm and like make you bleed. So stay away from the two-toed sloths if you ever see them. Stay away from the sloths. Well, the dinner was amazing. We had the best drinks. Best end to a B-day ever. Good morning, everybody.
Hasta luego. Or no, it's buenos dias.
We are in
Buenos
the car.
dias. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. We just had breakfast, met some really fun and nice people, so that was great. And now we are going to Nauyaca Waterfall. We're going to do the waterfall hike, which we are so excited about. So the hike is $9 a person plus a $3 parking fee. So just keep that in mind if you're gonna go to the waterfall. It's gonna be a good day. All right, where are we at, McKenna?
Nauyaca Waterfall.
We just put on bug spray.
Deep woods, baby.
Deep woods. That's where we're going. So it's really nice. They have bathrooms here. So if you were worried about going to the bathroom for the hike, if you paid to park, they have bathrooms. They also have horseback riding tours. Like there's some horsies over there. And we're kind of sad we didn't do that. So that would be so fun. I know. We really just want to live out our horse girl lives. This is such a beautiful hike already. We're about 10 minutes in. Look at these trees. Our friend at our yoga retreat said it was a nice walk. This is a hike. This is really pretty. This is really hot. We're dying a little bit. I hear the waterfall. Oh, waterfall number 1, waterfall number 2. We'll start number 1. So this is so beautiful. It's funny because everybody at our hotel was like, are you guys gonna jump? There's literally a sign that says absolutely no jumping. So no one has to jump. Okay, so that first waterfall was so amazing. Got to cool off a little bit. We didn't jump in, but the second one I think we can jump in. So we are very excited.
McKenna, you should jump in.
You should do it. It feels good. I was so hot.
McKenna, say hi.
Hello.
Sarah, say hi.
Hello. Well, that was amazing. We are hiking back. We got a little bit of an incline, and then the rest should be downhill. I'm exhausted. All right, we are just back at our car. We made it. It was amazing. We are so tired. We need food and water. I think we're all out, but that was so fun. Highly recommend.
The hike was indeed fantastic. Ceara made us stop about, what, 10 times? Her short little stumpy legs. Me and McKenna got them daddy long legs.
But all in all, 10 out of 10 experience. Highly recommend. Right, Kenny? Right. Alright, so we finished the hike and we came to Cafe Monocongo. We just slammed so much food. Like, I didn't even film it because we were so hungry. I completely forgot. But we got some smoothies. She got a sandwich, right? I got a buffalo falafel wrap. And then we have some cake, but we're actually probably going to go because I just don't think we're going to finish all this. It was so good. Total was like $28, so $14 each. Highly recommend. Again, McKenna's gonna try out the cake. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Okay, so after the hike, we got lunch, and then we took some naps, hung by the pool, and now we're catching sunset on the beach. We're definitely exhausted after that hike. There's no way we were gonna do anything else other than like rest. So I feel very rested. We're gonna try and catch the yoga class back at our retreat tonight. So hopefully that's not booked up because after this we'll go do that, which will be so relaxing and nice. We haven't done a night class yet, which apparently is just so nice. So yeah, that's what we're up to. Last sunset in Dominical. Sad. We're excited. We're heading to Monteverde tomorrow. We're gonna book our hotel when we get back, and yeah, super excited to see some mountains and the cloud forest. It's gonna be so cool. So we just finished our yoga class. It was so nice. We were feeling so relaxed. It was actually kind of hard. We were pushed a little bit. I'm definitely stretched out. We are back at the sushi restaurant. We liked it too much. McKenna was craving sushi. She convinced us to come back, so we are here. We're trying to figure out where we're staying tomorrow.